So you want to make money online, and you have tried many ways to do so, such as affiliate marketing, blogging, YouTube, Instagram page, dropshipping, etc. And you made little to no money, right? Because you are making the same mistakes over and over again. I made those mistakes too, and most likely many of you are doing it too without knowing. Trust me, you will hardly make any money if you keep doing these mistakes. This is hard to swallow pill, but I am saying these for your good, so that you can make money online as soon as possible. Don't feel bad about yourself. It's all progress. And I did these mistakes too, which we are gonna discuss in this video. I have put the most common and most critical mistake at the end, with a bonus tip, so stay till the end. Mistake 1. Wasting time on scams. Listen to this very carefully. One thing you must keep in mind. If you ever want to make any money, whether it's online income or offline, that is, there is no get-rich-quick scheme. Yes, you heard me right. There is no get-rich-quick scheme. There are indeed shortcuts to make money faster than the slow lane. But don't expect becoming an overnight millionaire by simply filling out surveys or watching videos. There are thousands of websites out there which claim that you will be making money by surveys or testing websites or anything similar. Most of them don't really work, or you need to pay some money. And worse of all, they can turn out to be a fraud. Don't waste your time and effort on these scams. You will only end up being absolutely demotivated. I have done this mistake too, and I can tell you from my experience that you will only be wasting your time. I can mention many websites like this, but you get the point. So how to figure out whether it's scam or legit? To be honest, there is no specific protocol to identify that, but surely there are some things you can keep in mind so that you won't get scammed. Number 1. Do not pay anything unless you are 101% sure that it's legit, and you will make money from it. Number 2. Don't just start doing it simply because a random YouTuber said so. Number 3. Research about it before starting it. Number 4. Check its review online. See what other people think about it. There is another thing you must keep in mind if you want to make money online or anywhere else. That is, you won't get paid unless you provide any type of value to people. It leads us to our second mistake. Mistake 2. Providing no value. You might have heard from other finance gurus that you won't get paid unless you provide value, and you have ignored this golden advice, right? So let me remind you again that you will not get paid without providing value. I have said this so many times in this video because it will stick to your head. But you might be wondering, what is providing value? How to provide value? So let me clear what I am actually saying. Providing value means you offer some type of service or product or content or anything similar that solves people or business problems, gives education, or maybe gives entertainment. And you do this in exchange of money. You might be wondering, why is this even that necessary in making money? So let me ask yourself one short question. What is the difference between a rich and a poor? The answer is the poor chases money, but the rich focuses on how to provide the most value possible. That's why money chases them instead. If people or businesses do not get value from what you are doing, why would they even pay you? Providing value is directly proportional to how much money you will make. The more value you provide, the more you make money. And providing value with very little effort is possible in this modern world. I will make a full guide for you on how to provide most value with least effort. Make sure to subscribe or you will miss it. Most people will click off this video because I might have said against their wrong beliefs. But the people who will succeed in making money online will understand or try to understand what is said in this video. That's why they are different. If you are still watching and learning, congratulations, you are one of them. Now, I have many things to tell you, but let's keep them for part 2 of this video. Let's jump to the bonus tip. Before telling the bonus tip, I am happy to see that you are still watching. So it clearly means you have the ambition to make money online. So the bonus tip is to believe in yourself and never give up. Trust me, you will only make money online if you believe in yourself that you can do it. And you are already halfway there. Because when you believe in yourself, you will take action with motivation. And when you will take action without giving up, you will see results. And when you will see results, it will boost your confidence, which will result into believing that you can do more. And this cycle will go on. I know you will succeed. Subscribe or you will miss the part 2. Drop a like if you liked this video. Thanks for watching.